I was gifted this yarn for review and I'm really excited to talk to you about it today. This yarn comes in a 3-pack and a whole bunch of delightful colorways. I think this one is really super cute, bright, and fun. It's made of polyester and a silver thread that's run through it. It's super, super cute. Each one is 100 grams of yarn. So this is the one that I had been using to make a little project with. It is a woven yarn. It's really got a good amount of body to it, and it works up real nice and firmly. So this would be really great for a bag or a basket. What I've done with it is made this little crocheted trinket basket. It's nice and firm. The sides stand up on their own. I do believe I could build this up and it would just continue to stand up on its own. It's got a great body to it, and it'd make great coasters, maybe face scrubbies, a bag. I really enjoyed working with it. I used an H hook to do this. All in all, it's a great yarn for your houseware type projects. And if this is something you're looking for and you like this colorway, I highly recommend it.